Hey Cherries, it's Grayson here from cherrycollectables.com.au. Got a box of 0910 certified. Actually, we've got heaps of it in, so if you're interested, just check the website. I think it's $119.95 a box. First of all, I just wanted to quickly mention that Team Cherry, our group box break club, launches in the 1st of March, so we'll draw the teams for the first month's breaks. And if you haven't seen it, basically we open 3 boxes at least a month, and it's only $25 a spot. We've got a 6-month package for $142.95, which equates to about 18 plus box breaks. And just for the record, there's about 6 spots left. There's a couple of people that are interested, so get on board. There's only a week to go, and there's the first month. The boxes have been announced. They're going to be 0910 SP game used. Then we're going to get some 0809 Skybox action, and then just to top it off, there's going to be an 0708 SPX. So if you're interested, and maybe that was the maybe that's what sold you. And there's also going to be a bonus because it's the inaugural, because it's the inaugural starting lineup for Team Cherry. Yeah, they're going to throw in a bonus there, which I won't mention yet. So away we go, the certified anyway. First box, first pack. We have a auto freshman fabric of Taj Gibson, so that's nice. It's game used jersey, and it's numbered to 25, 24 or 25. Almost got his jersey number. Pretty sure it's just a is it a patch or is it a jersey? It's a prime fabric. I'm saying jersey. And more base. I do like this card, so I love the NFL version, and these are a bit like a cheaper version of limited, and limited are lovely. So, and lots of nice hits in limited too. Got a red parallel of Jamal Crawford, decoy, and base. You're basically guaranteed to hit a pack almost, I think. Whether it's a parallel or a hit. We've got another decoy here, so we've got a Shaquille O'Neal Certified Champions, numbered to 25, 18 to 25. So unfortunately it's just a normal base card numbered. Oh wells. And base. Okay, we've got another hit in this one. Richard Hamilton, Rodney Stuckey, and it is for the Nuggets. Chris Anderson, Fabrics of the Game, number to 250, 154, 250. More base. We've got another hit here. Danny Granger base, Jeff Foster, Drew Holiday freshman fabric. It's numbered to 399 for Drew Holiday fans. I'm not one, so just hit us up if you're interested in it. Really looking forward to Team Cherry though. It's going to be sweet. Got a blue Baron Davis, number to 100. Decoy. Base. 4 packs to go. Remember, we can bust boxes online for anyone who's interested in skipping on the postage. Got a gold one here of Kevin Durant, nice. Kevin Durant Gold Team, and it's numbered to 250. Nice to get a Durant. No matter what it is, the base. Cool, I think this is the last hit here. Michael Red base. Get rid of the base ones first. Marion, Michael Red, Luke Ridner, and ouch, Louis Scola for the Rockets. Number to 99. That one hurts. Alrighty, last two packs. These are great value. I reckon this will become Panini's most popular product for the basketball. Nothing in that one. Got a Kobe base. Would have been nice if that had the auto on it. Although it's infesticide that hits all the Kobe autos. And a red parallel, Jarrett Jack, number 250. Jason Kidd, Gordon, and Gasol. Well, there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out cherrycollectables.com.au. Got heaps of new boxes in stock right now, and if you're thinking about joining Team Cherry, do it, because you've got a week to do so. See you soon. Bye.